Watch this video and learn how to draw an autumn leaf.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hey, hello.
Hello, Artie.
Hello.
How are you today?
Artie, very happy.
Oh, well, that's good. Should we do a drawing today?
Yeah.
What would you like to draw?
I don't know.
You know it's autumn time now.
Yeah.
Let's draw an autumn leaf.
Yeah. Okay. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Yay. Happy. Artie, happy.
Let's get ready.
Do you think Artie is going to create another masterpiece?
Are you ready? Let's start.
Yay.
Follow along at home, little artists.
Man, Betty, look at that blank piece of paper. Isn't it exciting?
Oh, the possibilities!
Let's start this drawing, not by drawing the leaf itself, but by doing two big eyes. Let's draw two big oval shapes. An oval is a sort of squashed circle, almost like a football or egg shape. Draw two curved lines and then connect them with two smaller curved lines at the bottom and the top. Let's draw a pupil in the middle.
Okay.
A little circle inside the oval at the top, and let's shade it in black. Very good, Artie. We have our first eye. Now for the second eye, let's draw a circle. Not an oval, but a circle. That's right, Artie. A big round circle connected to the oval with the bottom section. And now we have a circle with part of the circle hiding behind the oval. Let's do the pupil, this time at the bottom of the circle. And don't forget to shade it in black.
Mikey, this is so much fun.
I'm glad you're having fun, Betty. Now let's draw a tongue. A U shape will do just fine. And then a big curved smiley mouth face along the top. That's right. And two little curves, one on the left side and one on the right side. Now, to complete the tongue, draw a little line right down the middle.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. That was very helpful. Now let's finish the mouth. Another line at the bottom, making a sort of triangle shape on the right side, and we'll shade that in black. And let's do the same on the left side. A line from the tongue, going up to the top, making a little triangle that we'll shade in black. Well, we have a cute face, but no leaf yet. Let's start the leaf. Let's draw a curve from the bottom of the tongue going up towards the left.
I met Bob Ross once in a parking lot.
At the end of that curve, do a little V, another curve, and another little V. This gives us the left side of the leaf. Let's do a couple more little V shapes. 1, 2, and then curve all the way up to a point. Now let's come down from that point. Start at the very top, Artie. A big curve with a little V at the bottom. A small curve and another V.
This is fantastic. I can't believe he can do that.
Let's do another curve and another little V at the bottom. Guess what's next? That's right, another little curve with another V at the bottom. You know, Artie, you're doing so well. Let's do one last curve and one last V at the bottom. Let's draw a nice big curve from the bottom all the way across to the tip of that last V that we drew. Joke break? Okay.
What did the tree say to the wind? Leave me alone.
Oh, Mikey, leave me alone. Okay, Artie, come on, let's get back to the drawing.
Okay.
Now let's draw the stem coming out of the bottom of the leaf. A big curvy line. And now let's draw another big curvy line alongside the first one. And then a little oval at the bottom to connect the two lines. Very good, Artie. It's like our leaf has a little tail. Now we're going to draw some veins. Leaves have little veins inside them, a little bit like we have underneath our skin. Let's draw one line from the top, coming down, but remember to stop at the eyeball, and then another one at the bottom. Let's draw two lines, or veins, on the right-hand side, coming up, and then another one just above the mouth.
Look at him go, little artists.
He sure is going fast, Betty. Something's missing, Artie. What does it need? Oh, I know, some eyebrows. Let's draw some teardrop-shaped eyebrows floating above the leaf. Make sure you shade them in black, Artie. Good job. Let's draw the right eyebrow inside the leaf. Another teardrop shape, and shade it in nice and black. All the way, Artie. That's it. It's looking great, Artie. I think you might be done. What do you think? Finished. Now you've got to colour it in a nice autumn brown colour.
Great job, Artie.
Just wonderful.
Are you finished, Artie? It looks so good.
Yay! Betty!
Don't you think that's a masterpiece, little artists?
Masterpiece is my favorite rapper.
Thanks for watching, little artists. Have an arty day. Bye-bye.